Hello guys, Mr. Mau Akwaba Fofoofo TV. Was son for Kwame Chumesi near Charlie Mafemo Papa. I am on fine chairman. Now I had to go do daddy duties. And I think for about 2 months in me release a video behind my fine chairman, but I'm back. I'm back now. And I'll share me a studio na morning since I can crab in mine. It's the Tumio into the garage na me videos, you know. And the family is getting bigger now into. I was using this small bedroom, but you two me friends. You see my back garage into Monfan Chemi, okay? We share me back now. You can see so I've got some products over there, but my dimming light make a crash so it doesn't distract you guys. And to moving forward, no, I'll be recording a lot of videos from my garage. Into apologies, it be noise be now we be able na nobody achemi, okay? And then me baba share my 6 income streams. Why am I going to do this? I think that 3 of you guys, I'm not going to mention their names, you know. They all came and said they want to do what I'm doing. And basically they want to copy the exact same thing I'm doing, okay? And I just thought I'll share with you guys what I'm currently doing at the income Bremi. Okay, my intention is to motivate you guys. Okay, what I believe in is will be on a timeline. Or the baby I say, okay, will be a bread ebeso. As long as you've taken an action towards what you want to do now, your time will also come, and that's what I'm also doing. Okay, I'm also waiting till everything will work out as to what I have planned. Jack Ma, Okreti, Alibaba, 1688, nearly Express, you have to talk to Tonyama or Hono, the Importation one. Okay, he started Alibaba at the age of 35 years old, if that makes sense. Morgan Freeman, okay, in making a first breakthrough, I think when he was like 52 years old. Mark Zuckerberg became the first youngest billionaire at the age of 23. Obama, President Obama, inaugurated, I think, in 2009, you know. But yeah, the first black president of the USA, you know, he was 47 years old. Richard Branson, the owner of Virgin Airlines, you know, also started the company, you know, at the age of 34. The American children and say will be on a timeline, okay? Will be or young, no be successful. Will be also, I just say, Nimfi, you know, when you kakra and son wise successful, start now. It doesn't matter how slow you go and how slow the process takes, as long as you do not stop, you know, your time will also come. Okay, this is in Cry Shekakra before we get into the tutorial. Now, how do I see things? As a business person, this is how I normally see things, okay? So they be me pia na me hu amanfo a me mentality ne say me sika show mu botom nti say bia me pie kodwom na me hu say me shechi amanfo na in the back of my head, no, my money is in their pockets. I no so musika ehye me botom, but mean to me kon kosro mo so mo fa me sika mame, and I mean to me kon compare my chow so mo man bibi kakra share me ho. No, but what I will do is say I'll come up with a product or service and sell to them in return for them to pay me, if that makes sense. Let me explain further. Yemfani say Kwame Chumesi or body, so no, me shanwa bontain, okay? Me sika she Kwame Chumesi bottom, but how am I going to get my money from Kwame Chumesi? Now, I'll look at the problem Kwame Chumesi is currently facing. Yemfani say, for example, Kwame Chumesi, a corporate person, or you're really busy, they've got 3 kids. They have no time to go and drop their kids at school and also pick them from school due to their busy schedule. This is a problem they're having. And as a business person, you know, I'll come up with a service, okay? Maybe school drop-off and pick-up service. Now my targeted busy couples are, they don't have time to be picking up their kids from school, you know, then I'll sell the service to them. If someone is already doing this service now, I'll make sure mine is better. Okay, me making sure mine is better and mine is attractive. So I can win more customers. This is how I normally think, man. So always look for a problem and solve it. So problem, no solution, or now make sure you come out better. so you can beat your competitor. This is easy, man, and everyone can do it. And yes, a service inquiry. This can also be a product. It be a bit my toothpaste, a bit my diapers, a bit my tissues. Regardless, if there's high demand and a lot of people are facing a particular issue, now come up with a solution, and trust me, you'll be successful. Without talking too much, let's get right into the sort of things that I'm currently doing is bringing me income as of 2022 to 2023. I'm going to share my other screen and I'll see you there. So welcome to this site, guys. Said I'm about to share my 6 income streams. And as of 2022, I probably around 2023, and Kwame Chume said this is the sort of things I'm doing at the income bremming on a weekly, fortnightly, and a monthly basis. Okay, and without further ado, let's get right into it. And the first one here, part-time job. Yes, I still work part-time. Okay, the part-time job that I do, is actually bringing 28% of my income. All the money that I'm getting, the part-time job is bringing me 28%. People say, so why are you still working part-time? COVID by actually and answer be brave. And I also haven't built the other parts of other side hustles, to the point I made to my say, okay, I'm going to get rid of the part-time job, and focus 100% on my side hustles. I'm a family man, if that makes sense. I've got responsibilities, and I've got a lot of people draining from me. I have to make sure, say, I've got that job security, there. That's why I'm so holding on to my part-time job until set. My other side hustles, are also bringing more income, if that makes sense. And I still got my part-time job, and that's bringing 28% of my income that I earn on a monthly basis. Second one, my digital agency. Now, I'll call princeguild.com.au. I've got a digital agency, and this is actually bringing 35% of my monthly income. I built this back in 2014. I'm a first client, and I was actually working with this guy. And I'm catching and say, hey, I know how to create websites. And he tested me out. He loved it, and I recommended a doctor no podiatry or more photo ejumano. And I built another website for him. He loved it, and also recommended another podiatry doctor. So now I've got a clientele. I maintain their websites. I do the SEO for them, and every month they pay me. I don't even have to market. You don't send me market it to get like more clients. The sort of clientele that I have, and I'm happy with it, because end of every month they pay me for the service I do on their on their website. And so this is actually bringing me 35% of my monthly income, which is really, really good. Can I scale this? Yes, I can scale this, but if I want to scale this, I need to hire people so they can help me out. But for now, I think I'm comfortable with where I am with my digital agency. Now, my third income stream, I get 15%. Okay, and this is coming from we have an e-commerce website, your tone hair extensions and hair products. This actually is run by my partner. I don't know I mean, what I normally do is I help her out with ABR sourcing the items from Alibaba, shipping it to where we are, and also listing the product on the websites. Your Etsy shops where we sell on Etsy too. We also sell some on Facebook, and we also have a clientele. They are hairdressers. It's basically say yeah, goods to be draw. We call all our clientele, no matter be then we post the rest on our website and also on Etsy. And this is actually bringing us a lot of income, but my share of this, is 15%. Until I'm the only 15%, I share, the other one will go to my partner, and I'm not going to fight with her, if that makes sense. We also have another project that is also picking up small. Ashantibeats.com. We sell beads. To say Krobo beads. We had a shop on Etsy, but Etsy was giving us too much headache. into your shop in free Etsy, but we are now going to concentrate on our website and also sell on social media, if that makes sense. And so that's also bringing us something little, but the 15%, most of it is coming from the Candice hair extensions. You can go check it out and also order from us. Now, my fourth income stream, is my online business. Okay, so I have this domain name and hosting company that I built. Okay, this also came from my digital agency. I was buying the domain name and hosting from like GoDaddy, Bluehost, and the rest, and I'm casting for say me to managing my clients easily. Why don't I actually also create a platform like that? So I created princedomains.com.au, and just this year, so me I did gratitudehoist.com. This is also bringing me 10%. Okay, this is like a residual income, because I don't do nothing actually. Masetia BBA did that, so customers can actually go there and buy system na BBA, I register BBA amomo. Okay, so this is also bringing me 10% of my monthly income. Now the fifth one is investment. Okay, I've done multiple investments. I'm not going to give the sort of crypto and the sort of stocks anyway I'm investing. I'm just giving you the platform. Okay, and so I use Binance to invest in. I think I've invested in 2 cryptocurrency. Okay, I'm not going to mention it here because I don't want the situation that people will go and copy me, and if it doesn't go well, they'll come and blame me. Okay, but just to let you know, say I've invested in 2 cryptocurrencies. Now it's down a little bit, but and I also use the eToro app, okay, to also invest in buy shares in company. If I see say the company is going to do well, then I use the eToro app to buy the shares. I use Reddit. Okay, we use Reddit to read a lot of what do you call it, what is like what other people are saying about the stock market. Then I also take a move. And what I love about eToro is that you can actually copy someone, which my copy will be a pro trader or trader. Now also what Australia now so sell it. That's what I do. Okay, I'm not very strong here, so I don't concentrate a lot on that. That's why it's only bringing me 7% of my monthly income. Again, I've got a transport business, Work and Pay. So I've got vehicles that I've given it out as Work and Pay. I've got Abubuya that I've given it out as Work and Pay. Okay, I also buy and sell, meaning if I see say like a hot product be air trend, yeah, I buy in bulk, then I sell out. I don't actually concentrate on that. And so this pattern is actually bringing me 7% of my monthly income. It's not big though, but I think say it's scalable. If I want to like concentrate on that now, it's going to bring me a lot of income. And the last but not the least, my 6th income stream, I have affiliates. Okay, and see about Canva, I use Canva a lot, so I'm an affiliate with them, so that also brings me about 5%. Okay, and I also have me also affiliate with Zoho. Zoho is CRM. Okay, this also came about when we created the website for my clients. Now they want me to set up an email and also a CRM for them. Then I recommended Zoho. Okay, and Zoho too, and so I recommended, I use my link, so when they decide to go ahead with Zoho, I get a commission from that. So that's also affiliate marketing. So again, this was also a passive income. I don't actually have to do anything. I just have to give my clients the link. I'm gonna click here on also, and they make a purchase. Then I get something out of it. So the big overview, so with your pie chart now, the biggest monthly side hustle, a lot of money coming to me, and it's my digital agency that is bringing 35%. My part-time job that I'm still holding on to is bringing me 28%. Your e-commerce is bringing just me 15%. Investment on 7%, online business on 10%, and also affiliate marketing 5%. Okay, Ushahana, my diversify my income streams. I'm not just focusing on one. And just said that should be the company that I'm using because they don't want to work with me anymore now. Because I know say I've got other 5 things that are bringing me income, if that makes sense. And that should be my digital agency. In case of COVID CBM, now my clients are saying we should pause. Now I know say I've got my part-time job and also my other 5 income hard side hustles are bringing me income, if that makes sense. We're not showing cry. If you are passionate about something, I just get started. It doesn't matter, say you're slow. The only thing you shouldn't do, say, do not quit. Okay, do not quit. So is this what I want to do for the rest of my life? No, I've got a bigger plan. Okay, so what is the big picture? What do I want to achieve? What do I want to do? Okay, this is just a stepping stone as to what I want to do next. Okay, so what I'm actually doing is say I've got 2 startups. Okay, so one is in Ghana, and Fofoofo, I know say you guys know it. That's why hence we have Fofoofo TV. So this is like a startup company I'm building slowly. Okay, I'm not getting any revenue from it. Everything that I get, it goes back into the business. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, and I've also got one here in Australia. Okay, but the Australia, no, any other partner, partner no free island. So a 50-50. We are also building a startup here. So that's the big picture. And also the biggest one is that once everything goes well now, then I'll invest in real estate. So that's my biggest picture. That's what I want to do with the startup. We go back now with the startup companies. You'll be a friend exit strategy. So if even I build a company to some certain point and I don't want to do it anymore, and I can sell, if that makes sense. I can sell the company. That's the exit strategy. But if the biggest picture is that if I invest in real estate now, you can give houses for rental, and me and my family, we can relax a little bit. Then we'll get money from all this rental or not from our real estate, if that makes sense. So that's the biggest picture. That's my dream, actually. Have I started working on it? I'm not going to tell you. Okay, but this is my 6th income streams, and also got a big picture. So they make an beyond the timeline. So if you want to do something, I just start now. Okay, take action, start now. Men can say you are waiting to get Sikake CB and Sanawa started. As long as say you are passionate now, just make a move. Even if you have 5 Ghana cities, 10 Ghana cities, maybe to me, I'll start here. Make a move. Okay, men found say things are going slow for you now. Yet you reach your destination. Okay, you just have to make a move and start now. So take action, start now. And next year, same time, I'll do an update as to my side hustle. Then my show baby I'm at. Okay, so if you find this useful, again, show some love, click on that subscribe button, ring the notification bell so you do not miss out when I release another useful content. I've got heaps coming your way. Bernard also got heaps coming your way. Sophia also got heaps of social experiment and interviews coming your way. Within the Kwame Chumisi, I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.